Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm the Youth Engagement Officer at Ysgol Llanhari and I'm nominating Llanhari Filmmaking Group for this award. So this is the fourth year of the project. Over the years they've been involved in projects working alongside the British Film Institute. They've also more recently then been involved in a heritage project, so working alongside RCT's Heritage Service to celebrate 50 years of Ysgol Llanhari. As part of that, they conducted interviews with teachers, local community members. They had to look through the archives. A big part of that is celebrating the Welsh language itself, and they've done some really good work around promoting that language. So the group were also involved in celebrating the life of Morfudd Owen, where they were invited to create a film marking her life and her achievements. They worked alongside their peers from Tonrevel Community School to do this, and the film was then showed at an event in Clwb y Bont in Pontypridd. They were also involved in a Media Cymru project. The aim was to find ways of merging technologies such as filming, gaming, to promote the Welsh language. And they've also been involved in making another video, which was helped to fund future similar projects, benefiting other young people who may be interested in filmmaking themselves. So the group have been involved in so many positive things over the last year in particular, and over the past 4 years since the project started. I really think that they deserve the recognition for that hard work. Unfortunately, they can't be here tonight because they're on a residential trip in Llanhari, but I know they would have loved to have been here just to hear all these positive, wonderful things about them.